Hi guys, welcome to a brand new episode of WhatsApp Disco. And I, Baki Lakshmi Venuswamy, is your host for this new brand episode. And today we have four amazingly beautiful and talented girls, five Putias. So guys, we know you as five Putias, but I would like you to introduce yourself to our viewers. So let's start from here.
Hi, my name is Muskan, and I'm basically from Maharashtra, and it's been 2 years we are staying together in the same hostel.
Hi, my name is Nikshita. I'm from Mumbai. We've been roommates for 2 years now, and I'm very grateful to have them as my roommates. Hi, my name is Riddhi, and I'm also from Mumbai. I like my roommates very much.
Hello guys, myself Sakshi. I'm also from Maharashtra, Pune. So we are together and I love my friends.
Okay. Guys, it might look like I'm forcing them to talk, but it is not.
No, it's not.
So let us start. I genuinely have this question. So why, of all, you guys chose the name Five Studios? Like genuinely.
Like, because of our height.
So you are probably accepting
Yes,
it.
yes,
We
yes.
just wanted to make a Instagram page for fun. We just started like that.
And we are
Then just for the memories, we wanted some videos to be posted so that we can watch them later. And then just we kept like for just fun, we kept 5
Okay.
It was like all
something
the
should be
seniors.
something it would be relatable to us.
Yeah.
That's why we kept like 5
So if you would have noticed, we have Five Studios.
She's gonna remember.
Okay. Next, where did this journey start? Like, how did Five Studios start? Which was the initial stage of it? Like,
It was like all the seniors. We live basically between all the seniors in our hostels. So our room is near, all the rooms nearby our room is where seniors live. All of them noticed one thing, that all of us were very short, same height, and we got along very well. So they noticed it from the start. That was initiated.
okay, nice. So basically, you guys are also influencers, right? You have the name Five Studios. Like, kind of
Kind of.
influencers. Okay. So how do you guys are basically managing your influencer life with your academic life?
whenever we get time or at weekends and all. We used to do.
So you guys are doing it for the fun. For the
Yeah.
It's just to keep it digital time.
Yeah, whenever we go out, we just shoot ourselves doing anything.
Just us.
Yeah.
Just
We don't try to shoot it for like posting dates. We just try to capture moments and then put together and edit or some sort and then post it.
Yeah, it is nice. So can you like talk about your hostel life? Like, can you give us few insights about your hostel life maybe? Like, everyone knows that hostel has drama, of course. So,
so much drama.
so can you give few insights about your hostel life? So which hostel you are from? Mention that also so that our viewers can have an idea.
We are from Ratnaya and our hostel is quite peaceful. Everybody there helps each other. Seniors are also very helpful. They guide us if we are like going through something. We need their help. They are there.
And news from yourself?
Basically, the only most good part is the seniors. And I'm really, really thankful for that.
If you guys have a chance to shift your hostel with you,
No,
Not at all.
we didn't even shift our room. Our room is like
Yeah.
a 3-seater. And one of us should not stay in that room. The commandant of the warden of the hostel, she also tells us that one of you move out. But we get around.
We don't want to go out.
Just
We,
don't want
we
to
have
go.
been like together for like 2 years now. We have bonded so much good. And I don't think we'll ever go with anybody else.
So So you guys have mentioned that you guys are roommates.
Yeah.
So what is the best part of being roommates?
Best part is definitely the sleepovers, the movie nights, dancing together at 3 a.m. in the morning.
Fighting too.
Yeah.
Studying as well.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Studying as
Okay,
well.
very too.
when you talked about your studies. I was just about to talk about the topic academic life. So, how is your academic life?
It's okay. So
So fast, so good. So the exam season is also near. So how is it going?
I'm still preparing.
Still preparing. Okay, that's nice. So it's been like 2 years since you guys are here in Russia, particularly in Pskov. So can you share your experience? Like, let's start from Sakshi.
It's the best moment, and it was right decision to come here. We became real family. First, we were like strangers, and afterwards, the bond became best.
Yeah, really strong.
Yes.
I can see it. Next, Vivi.
This was like very quiet, very beautiful. The riverside is actually quite like a place to sit there and think whenever you are going to a tough exam or anything. And we just like to hang out there or like go cafe or anything.
Nice.
We learn new languages and all, new cultures.
Yeah. So Dakshita?
So, Pskov felt very strange, very quiet in the start because I was not used to an environment like this. The greenery is also very nice, definitely. Yes, but most importantly, it became comfortable because of these people. That is the only thing which matters to me. Because it would have not been very good without them.
Muskan?
Same here. Like first year we were not together like this. We'll just talk. We won't even eat together. Second year it went little smooth because we started talking to each other and roaming outside, going to college together, sitting with each other. So both of us came together. So we know each other. Like little bit we knew each other.
The next question is that if you could describe Pskov in 3 words, what would it be? Then Nikshita.
I like the roads there a lot because I don't get such good roads. The roads, then manners. Russian people have really good manners.
Again, the culture.
Yes,
Okay.
maybe yes, the culture. The sky is really good.
Okay. Sky is blue.
Yes.
It's like the sky is blue. The sky is blue. The sky is good. Good. Ready?
It's beautiful. River part mostly. The river. Then people, they just don't mind what you are doing. They are in their own world, and like, you can be yourself without anybody judging.
Sakshi.
So we do like the traffic system and the road system.
Yeah.
I love your cafes. I have visited most of the cafes here.
That's nice.
And here's magazine system also. The best part is that they have good manners to how to do the billing system. It's not like India messy.
Yeah.
It should be there. It's better.
So, do you guys think that you have chose the best decision by coming to Pskov?
Yeah.
Yes. That's, that's nice. So, can you mention like any funny incidents that could have took place among you or with Russians, if you could think of anything?
Yes. That day we went to the beach to just like have a good time. And we ended up playing volleyball with the Russian family, so they were very, very good about it. They were very friendly. They were very happy to play with us as well.
So, that's nice.
And also little kids, they came to us with their toys and they wanted to play with us.
We thought
That was
kids.
very we used to play with them.
Yes, once
That was
we
very, very good.
went to Mumbai to get something. And a old lady, she came to us and she said in Russian, "Where's your mother? You are buying grocery alone."
Yeah.
And we're like, we're not kids.
Just because we have five for grape.
Exactly. And our old lady also gave us chocolate. She thought we were kids. And she gave chocolate. And this happened to us twice or thrice.
That's nice, actually. So, let's move to to the interesting session of our podcast. That is, who is most likely to laugh? Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So I have a few set of like questions that I'll ask you, and you can like answer it. Okay, so let's go. Who is most likely to turn into a celebrity?
Dixit.
Okay, I can see the potential. Okay, next. Who is most likely to crack FMG with grade scores?
All of us.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
And then who is most likely to drop medicine halfway and become a DJ just because it was fun?
Yeah, either it would be Muskan or Nikshita.
Yeah, that's nice. And then who's most likely to lose their face all the time?
Muskan.
Okay,
Muskan.
Okay.
The clumsy one.
Okay. Who is most likely to laugh at the very wrong time?
Sakshi.
Sakshi. Sakshi. You go Sakshi. And then who is most likely to get into trouble?
Muskan.
No.
Muskan or Nikshita?
And there was something.
Okay.
Both friends voice Nikshita.
And Nikshita with the white dress.
Yes.
No, either. Should we are a white?
Okay, that's nice. Again, who is most likely to get angry for even the smallest offense?
She has a little her having little irritated atmosphere.
Yeah.
But after that, much
Yeah. It feels like she's rude, but she's not rude. But it feels like that. She is improving. Yeah. If you know me, then you know from I know 2 weeks of her arriving and rushing. Yeah. The hostel would know. The hostel knows. Hostel boys would know. The boys would know.
Yeah. Okay. So finally, we are here to the end of our podcast. Would you like to say few words to our viewers?
Study, guys.
Study, guys. Yeah. Sakshi?
Do study and also enjoy your life.
And then Nikshita?
If you're coming to Russia, don't bring clothes. It's cheap over here. Especially girls. Especially girls.
Okay.
This is for girls only. Boys are not boys. Boys you can bring. I don't think you wear that in case you can.
Best advice from Nikshita Shaman. Muskan.
Bring lot of food.
Yes.
What?
Snacks.
Yes.
Indian snacks. Bring lot.
Yes. Bring lot of snacks and please share.
Don't
with
bring-
us.
Share it with us.
So that is it. I enjoy doing this podcast with you guys. So now we have finally come to the end of our podcast. Did you guys like and enjoy this podcast session with me?
Yes.
Yes. This is me, Bhagya, signing off until I meet you in the next episode of What's Up?
Pissed off.
Bye.
Bye.